Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Out here in the motorhome doing another unboxing video, new product here. So this will satisfy my need for a smokeless fire pit. I'm trying to go with alternate fuels instead of wood. And I came across this Blue Sky Outdoor Living, the Ridge, 3-year warranty. Says here, the infused airflow design offers a better burn and a smokeless experience. Let's see if there's any other details on the side here worth mentioning. Burn chamber, ash catch stand, a little explanation there. Here's what's in the box. So you get the burn chamber itself, an ash catch stand, and a carrying bag. Alright, well, let's get this open. All I did was break the tape. You're going to see what I see. First thing in here is the owner's manual. We'll be taking a look at that. Let's see what we have here. Can I open this with one hand? And it's going to be tricky. Get the cardboard out of the way. Looks like first thing in here is this is the bag. Looks like the stand here. I can tell you it's a little heavy, one-handed here. Take a look at that. Pulled out of the bag. Nice engraving. There's the stand. A couple of warnings on the bottom there. Alright. Set that to the side. And the burn chamber. This is going to be the tricky one. Can Fred do this one-handed? And he's going to. How about that? And the burn chamber itself. You know what? Let's set this on the table. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. All it's cardboard only. Set that to the side. Okay. Let's put this up on the table without scratching the table. And take a look at this. As a matter of fact. Okay, so what I did, I don't want to scratch the table, so I put down some cardboard here. But here it is, all assembled. Sits right on top. Let's do some quick measurements here. How about that? Got the handy dandy here. So across, side to side, we're just at 11 3/4 for the opening. Yeah, that's almost dead on 11 3/4. Depth wise, 6 1/4. 6 1/4 by 11 3/4. So there's the measurements. Air holes in the bottom, perfect for pellets, which is what I'm looking for. This will be perfect size, just big enough. I probably could have went larger, but from a portability standpoint, something just to throw into the back of the motorhome here. This will collapse down really nice. So there we go, unboxing of the Blue Sky smokeless fire pit. Let's do a burn-in. Right now it's too cold out to do that. All right, next step will be a burn-in. Another day. Thanks for stopping by on this unboxing, and we'll see you on the next one.